Let's face it. Today, online earning is one of the most lucrative ways to earn, which is why in this video, we'll show you how you can make some passive income through cryptocurrency. But first, what's all the fuss about cryptocurrency anyway? The entire cryptocurrency market is worth a combined $267 billion as of 8 May 2020. Of all the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin ranks at the top with a worth of $181.5 billion. Currently, one Bitcoin is worth about $9,500. This just goes to show how gainful Bitcoin mining is. The best part is that mining Bitcoin is one of the most stress-free method of earning online. All you do is to run your Bitcoin mining application and keep it running. It will continually mine Bitcoins in the background while you do other things. CryptoTab is the world's first browser with built-in mining feature. It lets you earn cryptocurrency just by visiting sites, watching videos or chatting online. While you're busy with your business, CryptoTab gets you Bitcoins. It even keeps on mining while you're away from your computer. Get CryptoTab using the link in the description, install it and get a steady income without additional investments. Just make sure the algorithm is mining while you are busy with other things. You only need to mine 0.012 Bitcoins to make $100. In this video, we showed you how to make money from cryptocurrency. But that's not all we have for you. In our later videos we will introduce you to other much more lucrative online earning methods. If this is something you look forward to seeing, click the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when we upload those videos. Let's reach 200 subscribers together. When this video gets 50 likes, we'll reveal to you another platform to make money that is a lot more rewarding than the one discussed in this video. So hit that like button and wait for the next video.